What's the meaning of counterintuitively? Counterintuitively. Counterintuitively.
Counterintuitively. Counterintuitively. Counterintuitively means that something goes against our expectations or common sense. For example, it might seem counterintuitive that smaller particles can sometimes generate more heat than larger ones. In scientific experiments, researchers often encounter counterintuitive results that challenge their assumptions. These unexpected findings can lead to new discoveries and breakthroughs in the field. Overall, the term counterintuitively refers to situations where what we expect to happen is not what actually happens, and this can open up new avenues for exploration and understanding.